Welcome to another math problem of the week. A cubic polynomial and a polynomial of degree 69. Let's talk about it. For today, we are given a function fx to be 1 plus x squared plus x to the power of 3. And we are asked to find the remainder when fx to the power of 23 is divided by fx. And the options are A, 1 plus x squared, B, 1 plus x squared, C, x plus x squared, and D, 0. What do you think?
Pause the video now if you wish to solve it. Keep watching the video once ready.
Now, there are various ways to get the answer. So, given fx to be 1 plus x squared plus x power 3. Suppose fx equals to 0, then we know that 1 plus x power 3 equals to 0. If we multiply both sides by 1 minus x, then we obtain 1 minus x power 4 equals to 0, where x not equals to 1. So x to the power 4 equals to 1 and x not equals to 1. So from here, then we know that x is actually equals to -1 plus or minus I. Actually, we do not need to use the result here. What is important is that x to the power 4 is equals to 1. Now we want to understand what is f of x to the power of 23. According to the definition of fx, this will be equals to 1 plus x 23 plus x 46 plus x 69. And we can write it as x to the power of 69, x power of 46, x power of 23 plus 1. Now we add a minus x. Definitely we need to add plus x minus x squared plus x squared minus x cubed plus x cubed. Now we combine the first two terms, x 69 minus x, and later on x 46 minus x squared, and later on x to the power 23 minus x power 3. So from there we could get x power 68 minus 1 plus x squared, x power of 44 minus 1 plus x cubed, x 20 minus 1 plus x power 3 plus x squared plus x plus 1. Note that each of these x power 68 minus 1, x power 44 minus 1, x power 20 minus 1 has a factor of x to the power 4 minus 1. And x power 4 minus 1 has a factor of 1 plus x squared plus x cubed. This will mean that each of these terms has a factor of 1 plus x squared plus x power 3. So it will mean that we can factorize 1 plus x squared plus x power 3. The remainder, when fx power 23 is divided by fx, will be equals to 0 because fx is a factor of fx 23. That's another one way to look at this question again. So we look at fx again. It is 1 plus x squared plus x power 3. And this can be factorized as 1 plus x squared. So fx 23 can be written as 1 plus x 23 times 1 plus x 46. And note that 1 plus x is a factor of 1 plus x to the power of n if n is an odd number. Likewise, 1 plus x squared is a factor of 1 plus x to n if n is an odd number. It means that 1 plus x is a factor of 1 plus x to the power 23, and 1 plus x squared is a factor of 1 plus x to the power of 46. So it will mean that this is 1 plus x times q1 and 1 plus x squared q2, and therefore this will be fx times a qx. So in other words, fx is a factor of f of x to the power of 23, and therefore the remainder when fx to the power of 23 is divided by fx will be equal to 0. And for now, let's look at other people's solution. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again next Tuesday. Bye bye.